Buzzstone's AirWaves.
This is Buzz with episode number 49 of AirWaves. In this episode, it's another update of the Ham Shack. Got a few new additions, thought I'd cue you into. First of all, this is just kind of the overall view of the desk. And what I've done here, new additions, I've added another row of shelving there. Originally there was just the shelf that ended there where the blue light is. I've added this additional shelf up here. I had so many radios I didn't have room, so time to add another shelf. Also, some other new additions to the Ham Shack here. We'll get a little bit closer. I did a video on this, the previous video, episode 48. This microphone here is an ICOM SM5. I believe about a 1979 edition. That's something new, and I'm using it with my newest rig, which is the IC 7300. I know you've never heard of this one before. Yeah, this mic, of course it comes with a hand mic, but this mic here, the SM5, works great with the radio. Now you've seen a video of this before, the AT5555N, made by Anytone. Also this antenna tuner, that's new. That's a Vectronics VC300M. Handles up to 300 watts of power. Let's see what else is new here. I think equipment wise that's probably all, well, let's see. This is one you haven't seen before with the blue lights here. That's a Lafayette HB740. That's a CB radio. And there's the TYT TH9800. I still don't have the antenna mounted for that because it has 2 meters, 440, 6 meters, and 10 meters. Did I say 10 meters? Yeah, 4-band radio. Okay. Also new to the Ham Shack, over here, this is my workbench area. I picked up one of these soldering pads. Also, I don't have it turned on. Let me see if I can reach back. Yeah, this is new. This is a soldering station. This is a 937D. See, there it displays the temperature. And up here is the soldering iron and holder for that. Nice little soldering station. I think it was like around $39 on eBay. So yeah, that's the work area. And I've got this articulated light here. Comes in very handy. And of course I can move that anywhere that I need to around the Ham Shack. Comes in very handy, work light with a magnifying glass. And when you get to your eyes as old as mine, it's something you definitely need. So everything else I think you've seen on previous videos. Just want to give you a quick update of what's going on with the Ham Shack. By the way, we had a really bad windstorm here a few days ago and blew down a big pine tree in my yard, and it took out my dipole antenna. So using my HF rig here, the ICOM 7300, all I had left was a 10 meter vertical. That's the Starduster M400. I want to tell you, it's had some really surprising performance. Of course on 10 meters it works. You know, I don't have a linear amplifier with this radio. It's a standard 100 watts. With the Starduster, I've talked to Chile, and also in Guatemala. It's been doing really well down to the south, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, and also north up into Canada, because I'm in North Carolina. But also, recently I've been using it on 17 meters, and just yesterday I talked to 2 stations in Germany with 100 watts, and the 10 meter vertical on 17 meters tunes up real well with the Vectronics antenna tuner. And I know the guys in Germany were surprised when they asked me what I was using. But you know, they weren't great signals. One, he said I was 5x5, the other one was 5x3, but I was happy just to make the QSO over there in Germany. So, you know, you just got to work with what you got sometimes, and you might surprise yourself. But anyway, just a quick overview of some of the updates here at the AirWaves Ham Shack. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We're almost at the 500 level, and it hasn't been a year yet. I think I started the channel last year at the end of February 28th maybe, somewhere in that area. And I think by the end of February we will definitely be to 500 subscribers. I appreciate everybody who has. Please tell your friends, and we'll see you down the dial.